Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Google Chrome in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is visit any of your favorite browser, open it, and simply expand it and go with the search bar and type Google Chrome. Okay, here, let's type Google Chrome. Ah, then click enter to proceed. Once you're being redirected here at the results, proceed to this very first link, which is Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser built to be yours. Tap it to proceed. Okay, so once you are here at the downloading of the application, you can see there the blue button, which is the download Chrome option. Just simply click this to download the app. Okay, wait for the downloading of this application to be done and then double tap to install that. Okay, so in my case, I have already downloaded the Google Chrome since I love to use this, especially that it's very lightweight, and other than that it is also secured to use. Okay, so just like any other website, you can also visit, I mean, just like any application, sorry, you can also visit any website here like Instagram, and then click enter. And here you can access your Instagram, you can log in your Instagram account. Okay. So everything about this Google Chrome is just so great since it's very lightweight, it's more secured, it has the secure settings where you can prevent your computer to access any website that might be harmful or that might contain any malware or spyware. Okay. So just have to log in your account, or you can also create your account here. Just click this account icon here and you're good to go. Okay, so hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.